Every second wasted stuck in the same old marketing grind is another second your brand fades into nothingness. The frustration, endless campaigns, pouring money into ads that barely move the needle. The gnawing anger watching competitors explode overnight while you're left chasing scraps, desperate to be seen, desperate to matter. That pain, it's real, it's heavy, and it's killing your chance to lead, to build something legendary. But here's the brutal truth. Playing by the rules of traditional marketing is a guaranteed death sentence in today's world. The old tactics are useless. They don't resonate. They don't spark passion or connection. They don't create firestorms that ripple through the culture. But viral challenges? They do. Viral challenges are rockets strapped to your brand's back, barreling it into people's lives with a force so intense it shatters the noise, breaks the indifference, and drops your name into billions of conversations overnight. The question is not why viral challenges work. They work because they're electric, they're addictive, they're a collective eruption of energy people crave to be part of. What you need to understand is how to ignite that explosion, not by luck, but by design. First, stop thinking about your product. Start thinking about a ritual people want to join, a movement people want to belong to. A challenge isn't about selling. It's about creating something contagious, something that taps into raw human emotion, pride, fear, excitement, belonging, rebellion. Nail that, and the brand awareness won't just grow, it will explode. Now here's the step you can't ignore. Step 1. Find the one thing your audience aches to express but hasn't yet. A feeling, a dream, a frustration, a statement. Step 2. Turn that feeling into a simple, irresistible action anyone can do and share. Not complex, not boring, effortless. Step 3. Layer in exclusivity. Make your challenge feel like a secret club, an insider's game where only those with guts and vision join. People want to feel they're part of something rare and powerful. Step 4. Choose your igniters, the few influencers, the few founders, the few investors, the few leaders who can't help but talk about it, share it, and bring their network in. Not thousands, tens. Precision targeting. Step 5. Fuel the fire with continuous social proof. Use their videos, reactions, stories. No edits, no polish. Raw emotion. Real people winning, laughing, daring. This is how legends are built. This is how brands transcend being brands and become culture. If you try to cheat this, to fake it, to manipulate, it will crumble. You must be authentic. You must dare to be bold. To build viral challenges that explode brand awareness overnight, you are not just creating marketing. You are unleashing a collective revolution. You are handing people a stage to express their identity, a banner they can rally behind, a movement they can own. This is your weapon against invisibility, your answer to mediocrity, your path to absolute freedom in marketing. The world is lying to you, keeping you small, boxed in, playing safe. Break free. Build viral challenges that don't just spread, they consume culture, dominate conversations, define what's next. The founders and leaders who get this, who master these steps, become the architects of a new reality where brand awareness isn't bought, it's earned in the hearts of millions overnight. Don't wait for permission. Don't ask for approval. Command attention. Create viral challenges that explode brand awareness like an unstoppable wildfire, and watch as your brand becomes impossible to ignore.